Hello friends, welcome to Secret of Electronics. In this video we will learn how to use the 74SC595 shift register with the 8089S52 microcontroller using the embedded C programming language. This circuit diagram demonstrates the interfacing of a 8089S52 microcontroller with a 74SC595 shift register to control 8 LEDs using embedded C programming. The 8089S52 microcontroller is powered by a 5-volt power supply and operates with a 11 MHz crystal oscillator along with two 220 picofarad capacitors for stable clock operation. A reset circuit is formed using a 10 kilo ohm pull-down resistor and a 0.1 microfarad capacitor along with a push button to manually reset the microcontroller. The 74SC595 shift register is used to expand the output pins of the microcontroller. It receives serial data from the microcontroller and converts it into parallel outputs to control multiple LEDs. The SER serial data input, RCLK register clock, and SRCLK shift register clock pins of the 74SC595 are connected to P2.0, P2.1 and P2.2 of the 8089S52 microcontroller. To enable communication, the OE output enable and SRCLR shift register clear pins are pulled low and high respectively to enable normal operation. The 8 outputs of the 74SC595 are connected to 8 LEDs through 220 ohm current limiting resistors to prevent excessive. When data is shifted into the 74SC595, it controls the states of the LEDs, allowing sequential or pattern-based LED control. This setup enables the 8089S52 to control multiple LEDs using only 3 GPIO pins P2.0, P2.1 and P2.2 instead of 8, making it a efficient way to expand output capabilities while conserving microcontroller I/O resources. This embedded C program is designed to control 8 LEDs using the 8089S52 microcontroller and a 74SC595 shift register. The program starts by including the header file, which provides predefined register definitions for the 8051 microcontroller family. 3 GPIO pins P2.0, P2.1 and P2.2 are defined as a control signals for the shift register, SER serial data input, SRCLK shift register clock, and RCLK storage register clock. These pins allows the microcontroller to send data serially to the shift register, which then converts it into parallel output to control the LEDs. A delay function is implemented using nested for loops to create a basic time delay, ensuring visible LED transitions. The shift out function is responsible for sending a 8-bit data byte to the shift register, 1 bit at a time. It extracts each bit from the most significant bit (MSB) of the data and assigns it to the SER pin. The SRCLK shift register clock is toggled high and then low to shift the data into the register, and the data byte is left shifted after each cycle to prepare the next bit for transmission. Once all 8 bits are transmitted, the RCLK store register clock is pulsed high and then low to latch the data into the output register, updating the LED states. Inside the main function, a LED pattern variable LED pattern is initialized to 0x01, which means that only the first LED is on initially. In a infinite while loop, this pattern is sent to the shift register using shift out function and a delay is applied for visibility. The pattern is then shifted left, moving the lead LED to the next position. If all LEDs have been sequentially turned on, and the pattern becomes 0x00, it is reset to 0x01, restarting the LED sequence from the beginning. This process creates a moving LED effect where one LED lights up at a time and shifts sequentially across the row. The program efficiently controls all 8 LEDs while using only 3 microcontroller pins, demonstrating the advantage of the 74SC595 shift register in expanding output capabilities. We will use a Arduino Nano as a ISP programmer to upload code to the 8089S52 microcontroller using AVR Dude. To do this, we need to connect the ISP pins of the 8089S52 microcontroller to the corresponding ISP pins of the Arduino Nano as shown in the circuit diagram displayed on the screen. If you are unfamiliar with the process of uploading code to the 8051 or 8089S52 microcontroller using a Arduino Nano and AVR Dude, then you can watch our detailed tutorial by clicking the I button. Now open the Kill UVision software and create a new project. I am saving this project as a main, but if you want to save it with a different name, you can do so. After naming the project, search for 8089S52 in the device selection window. Once you find it, select it and click OK, then click OK again to confirm. Right click on the target one, then left click on the options for target one. Navigate to the output section and select create hexa file. After selecting it, click OK. Next, right click on source group 1, then left click on add new item to group source group 1. Select C file and give a name to this file. I am naming it main, but if you want to use a different name, you can do so. After naming the file, click add. Now copy and paste the embedded C code, which you can download from the link provided in the description. After pasting the code, save the C file and click on the translate option. After that, click on the build option. Now connect the Arduino Nano board to the PC using a USB cable. Before programming the 8089S52 microcontroller, make sure you have the Arduino Nano board with the Arduino ISP program uploaded. I have already uploaded it. If you need a detailed tutorial, then you can watch our step-by-step guide by clicking the I button. Now we will upload the hexa file to the 8089S52 microcontroller. In our previous 8051 microcontroller tutorial, I explained everything in detail, so I will not go over it again here. If you need a detailed explanation, you can watch our tutorial by clicking the I button. Now that the code has been uploaded to the 8089S52 microcontroller, connect all the components according to the main circuit diagram we discussed at the beginning of this tutorial. After connecting all the components, you will see the LEDs turning on and off according to the embedded C code logic. If you enjoyed this video, do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to watch our upcoming interesting tutorials.